Hello judges, my name is Akshat Jaiswal. I am a 7th standard student from the School of Fancy Flowers, Changutola. This is my science project video and my science project is hydraulic powered JCB. My question was, how does hydraulic force work and what is its use? And my prediction was, hydraulic force works on the principle of air pressure and it is used in many other ways like lifting a heavy object and many more. To make a model of hydraulic powered JCB, we will need the following things and they are pipe, toothpick, plywood, injections, screw, can, super glue and water. To make this model, first I cut plywood of measured length with the help of saw and make holes in measured distance in which they are needed and pass a toothpick through the holes and make a structure like this. Then I made this type of pieces of measured length and joined together with a single toothpick in which they move. Next I made the shovel of JCB by can and then I fit the structure of JCB with a thick plywood base. Then I fit the injections in different moving parts of the JCB. Then I fill water in the pipe and in the first injection and then I fit the pipe in the mouth of both injections and the model is ready. So I show you how my model works. When we push the injection of shovel, the shovel lifts up the sand and when we push the injection which moves the JCB up and down, the JCB moves up and when we push the injection which moves the JCB left to right, the JCB moves left and when we pull the injection of shovel, the land falls. Based on how hydraulic force works, my conclusion was, when we push the first injection, the air pressure in the first injection is higher than the second injection. So the water moves from the first injection to the second injection. And when we pull the first injection, the air pressure in the first injection is lower than the second injection. So the water moves from the second injection to the first injection. The use of hydraulic force in real world is to lift a heavy object like this When we push the first injection, the water moves from the first injection to the second injection and the object is lifted up. And the second example is, this is a hydraulic powered machine which press hard object and flat it. Thank you for watching my science project video. Bye.